Warren Company Realtors is glad to have this new listing on the market today. It's a 65-acre OK Foods poultry farm, 4 houses, 90,000 capacity. I'm Rusty Hargrave.
This is Brian Ayers.
And we're going to go take a look at this farm. 2 of these houses are less than 5 years old. You'll notice they have solid sides on them. They're going to require very minimal upgrades.
So one great feature of this farm is this 12,000 gallon propane tank does convey with the property.
The 2 newer houses have ziggity waters in them. The 2 older houses both have Luby waters. Also 2 generators that convey with the property, a 75 kW and a 95 kW.
So this farm conveniently has 2 litter sheds, one in the front here that's 40 by 100 and another one in the back that's 40 by 50. Thank you for viewing today. This is Brian Ayers with Warren Company Realtors. You can reach us for more information at 479-970-6427.
Or call me, Rusty Hargrave, 979-7332.